All right, Barack, let me tell you something, okay? Nobody knows how to make America great again like I do. Believe me, it's going to be huge.
Donald, you keep saying that, but your version of great seems to involve a lot of chaos and fast food.
Fast food is the backbone of this country, Barack. Burger Queen here, it's a symbol of freedom, okay? Tremendous freedom.
Freedom? You mean clogged arteries and questionable business practices?
Listen, Barack, you had your 8 years, okay? 8 years of, what do they call it? Hope and change? Well, hope doesn't pay the bills, my friend.
And your plan is what? Sell America a combo meal with a side of, corruption?
Corruption? Fake news, Barack. Fake news. I'm the cleanest guy you'll ever meet. Cleaner than this parking lot, that's for sure.
Well, Donald, if this parking lot is your benchmark, then we might be in bigger trouble than I thought.
Bigger trouble? No, Barack. The only trouble is people not realizing how great I am. Watch this. Mwahaha. Tremendous evil laugh, right? Best evil laugh in history.
Donald, that laugh, it sounds like a cartoon villain audition gone wrong.
Cartoon villain? No, Barack. I'm the hero. The hero America needs. Believe me.
If you're the hero, Donald, then, I think we need a new scriptwriter.